Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It has been a very long time since I've posted on this channel, so I am so sorry about that. But it's been pretty busy at work. There's been other things happening too in my social life, so I haven't been as great with like posting, but I'm trying to get back onto it. So basically for today's video, I want to do a review on this bag right here because this has literally been my go-to bag for the summertime. Funny enough, I actually didn't know about this bag until my sister-in-law had this bag and I was like, oh my god, what is that bag? Like, I need to buy it like today, because honestly what really just attracted me is how this is like the perfect pink. Like, obviously if you guys couldn't tell, like my couch, like literally the painting behind me, like a majority of the stuff that I own and want are always pink. So whenever I see like something that's pink, it's like an instant like I need to get it. So when I saw this bag, and I feel like it's like the perfect size and everything like that, and just like not like super luxury where I have to drop like the pennies to buy this, it's just like the perfect like Barbie pink too, I feel like, as well. So yeah, honestly this has been the #1 bag that I've been using all of summer and will continue using all of the rest of the summer. So I thought, like, why not do a review for you guys? So basically, just to get into this is the Kate Spade bag. It is called the Madison, hold on, let me get the entire name for this bag because I don't want to butcher it. Okay, so it's called the Madison Saffiano leather duffel crossbody. And guys, first of all, this is actually from the Kate Spade outlet, so it's already a heavy discount. And if you guys just don't know, Kate Spade outlet always has like crazy sales like throughout the entire year, especially if it's like big holidays, like 4th of July just passed, so they had like an additional 20% off of like what's already discounted at the outlet. So just to go into pricing for this, basically this one I got, oh my god, I don't even know how much I paid for it. I'll probably insert it here on the screen when I look at like my receipts or my emails, but it was definitely like under $100, which is crazy because usually I think the full retail price for this is like 300 and something if you were to get it from the actual like Kate Spade store and not the outlet. Right now I want to say, because I'm going to leave a link actually down below in case you guys were interested in buying this bag, but right now this is on sale for $100, I believe, and that's of course before tax. Honestly, not only do I like pink, it also has gold like hardware to it as well, which is just like the next level for me, because not only do I love pink, but when it comes to like hardware, jewelry, all that type of stuff, always want gold. So this was just like, it just knocked it right out the park. Like, I just had to get it because I'm like, this is just the perfect thing and what I've envisioned a pink bag should be in my collection. So for colors though, if you're not into pink, I'm gonna insert here on the screen, and then also let me just check what they have, because I know they have a bunch of other cute colors. But honestly, if you're the type of person where if you like a bag and want to do like multiple like of the same bag but in different colors, this is definitely the bag for you. So basically it comes in white, black, like a mustard kind of yellow-ish. I don't know if you guys can see that. Of course I'm going to be inserting it on the screen too. It also comes in a green, like a lime green, which is pretty, and then a sky blue, and then like a periwinkle. So yeah, it's like a lot of cute like summer and spring colors, and then of course you have like your neutral color like the black that you could just use all year round. That was like another plus too, is that it just came with so many colors. But like I said, I definitely ended up with pink because it's my favorite color, and it's just like a pink bag that I needed for the summer of 2024. I feel like two other things that I really like about this purse too is that there isn't any divider in the middle. I know some people like dividers and some people don't. I'm usually the type of person person where I don't like to have a divider in the middle because I feel like it just takes away from the things that you can put in your purse. So for me, I like how it's just an open space and I can literally just chuck it and go. I don't have to worry about putting it in an individual spot. Like everything can just be thrown in there and like, you know, piled up, and I still have a bunch of room. Another thing is too, is just the leather in general. Like I do not feel like this is going to get scratched, have like scratch marks or anything like that. I can literally bang it and just have it against something, and I don't have to worry about seeing it get scratch marks anywhere. As far as like what fits in here, I just wanted to show you guys what I've usually have in here. Actually, I'm gonna go grab my wallet so you guys can see that too. I should honestly do a comparison too to see if like my huge like long Louis Vuitton wallet can fit in here too. So I'll grab that. It might be honestly too small, but I'm not so sure. Okay, and I'm back. All right, so this is the wallet that I was talking about, and this is what I usually carry. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I normally have in here. So the first thing that you guys already saw is my keys and wallet. So that's always with me. Then you guys have been seeing me take in and out of my phone, but I have my iPhone. This one is the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Then I have shades. I have my little Miu Miu sunglasses in here. And then I have my Touchland like hand sanitizer. I have my little mini lotion. I have my mini deodorant. I use Native. And then I have some lippies. So I just have my usual, which one is this? Aquaphor, just like a regular lip balm. And then I also have my Summer Fridays as like a little lip gloss, and that is all that I have in here. And this is pretty much what the inside looks like. And then you also do have a zipper here if you're the type of person that likes zippers. I think I just have literally the receipt in here and that's it. But yeah, that is the entire purse. But just to give you guys a comparison in case there's girls out there that love their long wallets, if you want to know if this can fit in here, because like I said, it is a decent size. So wow, that is amazing. That literally fits in there. I've never tried it with this one before because usually this isn't really like my go-to wallet. But yeah, if you guys are into that, and you still have plenty of space too. I mean, it takes up a good amount of room. Like if I was to lay this flat, I mean, you still have like room. I could still put like my cell phone in here and other stuff if I really wanted to. But it's just gonna be like a little snug and kind of annoying to take in and out all the time, but you still just can fit it. But yeah, that's pretty much what fits in this. And then as far as like what it comes with, it's literally what I already just showed you right now, just the purse itself. And then it has a crossbody strap that is adjustable. So right now I have it on the shortest setting, and I'm going to do like mod shots while I'm talking. So just keep in mind that I am 5'9", so that's what it looks like when it's on the shortest strap. But honestly, I haven't been really using this as a crossbody. I kind of just like to tuck this in, and if I don't have like free hands, that's when I'll use it. But for the most part, I usually just like to have it like on the crook of my arm because I don't know, I just like the way that it looks like this when you're all like dressed up or like have a cute summery dress or something. I feel like it's a cuter way to hold it. That is pretty much all that I have for you guys. I'm also going to insert here in the middle of the screen of other social medias. Make sure you guys follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I'd love to have you guys follow me or join my little community here on YouTube, and then also TikTok and Instagram. And I'll check you guys out in my next video. Bye!